Hey y'all, I'm Mark from Homestead, and in this video, I want to show you a cool piece of kit that you can add to your tractor bucket that makes everything better when it comes to clearing land, moving things around with your bucket, and taming your land. So stay tuned, we're gonna go over it. What is the cheap little instrument that made that so much more easy than just having a bare bucket? Well, let's go see. I haven't ever really done a video on it, but you see what it is? It's the Expanded piranha-toothbar. This is a bar that you order, it comes to your house, you drill some holes in the bucket, and you bolt the bar on. Super simple installation, and you can even get like a step drill bit that comes with it that'll go right through the bucket. Super easy to install, and it has been a game changer when it comes to using the bucket to clear trees, small trees, and dig and stuff like that. These dig down deep, they cut through the roots, and they also just kind of grab those roots with the teeth here, and you could just lift stuff right out of the ground. It's super awesome. Yeah, look at this. This tree was cut, but the tooth bar just ripped the whole thing out. Step it out, girl. So they boom. Another cool thing about the piranha-toothbar is it actually adds a little bit to your bucket, a little bit of length to your bucket, so you can carry a little bit more than you normally would. So like here, what I'm doing is I'm using these wood chips here, grabbing them, bringing them over to the pigs, dropping them down, because they really could use some wood chips in the muddy area and underneath their house, so they can get off the ground and not be so cold at night. So here's some of those trees that I pulled out. You can see where the piranha-toothbar just kind of grabs in and just yoinks the whole thing out of the ground. Look at that, look at this root system that it just demolished. See that? It grabs the tree and just yoinks it right out. It's a really cool piece of kit. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was fun to make. It's a really cool piece of kit, that piranha-toothbar. Just bolts right onto your tractor, helps you pull stuff out of the ground. It's awesome. So if you want to support the channel, go to oz-homestead.com, link in the description below. You can go to apparel and you can purchase some pretty cool shirts that we have available, as well as some of these embroidered hats that say Oz Homestead and they have the logo on them. So if you want to support the channel, that's a good way. You can also subscribe, share the video, hit the bell icon, comment, and like the videos. Thank you for joining us, and we'll catch you on the next one.